on the track.
Hey y'all, what's poppin'? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So today we are starting off with a fresh clean face, and we're going to go in with Magic Collections Rose Water Hydrating Mist, and we're going to spray that all over our face because hunty, we need a refreshment. Iced tea, I'm talking Sprite, Coca-Cola, you know, good old-fashioned water, just saying. So next we are going to brush out my brows with a good old-fashioned spoolie, get those nice and neat. And then we're going to go in with Anatasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. And we're going to fill in those brows. And as you can see, I'm very excited to do this. I think I really enjoy doing my eyebrows. I feel like they're the nipples of the face. Just kidding. But I do have an eyebrow tutorial on how I fill my eyebrows in, which is why this is sped up. So I will link that tutorial in the description box below. And y'all, please don't flame me, okay? I know my eyebrows was looking rough. This is a rare occasion. I was trying to grow them out. Please don't flame me. I apologize. Next, I'm going to take Smashbox's 24-hour Studio Skin Flawless Concealer in the color Medium Dark Warm. And we're going to take Morphe's Mini Concealer Brush, and we're going to carve out those brows. You know, got to keep them nice, got to keep them neat. This is also sped up because this is also in my tutorial. And I show you step by step what I'm doing, which again, I will also link in the description box in case you didn't hear me the first 7 times. Bam! Look at that. Eyebrows crispier than the edges on the brownies. So usually I'd go in with concealer, but today I was feeling a little sassy, and we're going to go in with Juvia's Place Foundation Stick in the color Mozambique. And we're going to use that for a little extra coverage because, as you can see, sleep deprivation and these dark circles was being mad disrespectful this day, as well as that pimple on my forehead. He had to go. So as you can see, I am generously applying this all over my face. As I said before, I'm surprised I didn't put it everywhere, okay? So now we're going to take Hillary the sponge, and please don't come for her, okay? I know she's looking rough, and I know she looks tired and beaten, but she did a very good job at blending my foundation out this day, okay? R.I.P. She has been replaced. Do not come for me. So we're blending, and now I'm going to go back in with the foundation stick and apply it to little areas that I think need a tad bit more attention. And then we're going to go back in and blend with Hillary until everything looks seamless. So now I'm going to move on to my concealer. We're going to go back to the Smashbox concealer with the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel. And what I'm going to do is put the Smashbox on the outer corner of my eyes, and then we're going to go in on the inner corner of my eyes with the L'Oreal to lighten it, because the L'Oreal concealer is a little bit lighter than my Smashbox concealer, and we're just trying to lighten and brighten underneath the eyes, you know, do a little something special, you know. So now once again, we're going to take Hillary and we're going to blend upward and outward on our eye. You know, I find that this works better for me. I feel like it blends everything together. And we're going to also get the top of our lid because, you know, got to make sure everything blends together, right? Can't be out here looking crazy in these streets. Okay? So as you can see, we're blending. We're making sure everything's seamless and together. Blending is your best friend. And when I find like I need a little bit more coverage, this is how I do my concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Loose Powder in the color Honey. And I just tap a little bit of that into the top of the lid. And I take my Hillary sponge and I basically place this all over where I place foundation, concealer, anything that I want to be set during the day. So as you can see, I'm pressing the powder into my skin and not baking, because I find that when I bake, it dries out my skin a lot more than it should, and my under eyes look dry and crusty, dusty. Like, leftover Hot Pockets or Tostito pizza rolls. I don't know. I don't like it, and I look like somebody's homeless cat. Okay, and I'm not going for that look. So I'm pressing the powder into my skin, and I do this all over my face, and I set everything, foundation, concealer, just to make sure everything stays throughout the day. I also feel like I'm just an oily person, so I really try and get like my T's on, like my nose, my chin, my forehead, especially in the summer when your pores are just being mighty disrespectful. So next I'm going to go in with Morphe's Bontour in the color Vlogger. This is my absolute favorite. Mwah! Chef's freaking kiss, baby. When I tell you, look at that. Look at that. It's the best thing. And I'm taking this with an angled brush, and we're going to do a little contour into our face. I like to mix both of them together, tap off the excess, and I like to go in, you know, suck in the cheeks and hit the cheekbone and make a little contour situation happen. Warm up the face, honey. And I do this on both sides, and I make sure to hit the forehead as well and the chin, the double chin. Gotta hide that a little bit, you know. Can't let people know the real me. And I just do this all over my face to give my face a little definition and warmth to it from all the concealing and foundation that I did earlier. So next I'm going to go in with Revlon's Colorstay Skinny Tip Liquid Liner in the color Blackout. And woo, bless you, we're going to make a wing liner. I usually don't do this today. I was just feeling a little sassy and extra for y'all, you know. I only do this really if I have time, because look at the concentration. She using all her brain cells, boy. Let me tell you, she using all 4 of her brain cells that she got right now. Anybody else concentrating extra hard while watching this to make sure this line is straight, or is it just me? This is the type of concentration where you have directions on your phone and it's telling you to go to this spot, but you turn down a radio to help you look for the place. This is that concentration right here. And as you can see, I definitely have to go off the camera and finish the other eye because it took way too long to do that one. So next I'm going in with the Warriors palette by Juvia's Place, using the color Kano with a Morphe E27 blending brush, and we're going to blend that into the crease to give it a little definition, you know. We don't want our face to look like blah. You know, and I usually do this because, I don't know, I just want to be extra. And it gives my eyes a little pop or something. Kind of make you do a little double take, you know. Next, we're going to go in with Covergirl's The Supersizer Fibers in the color Very Black. And we're going to coat our top lashes because we're going to put on falsies next. And I really like this applicator because I'm able to get every single lash, even in the corners. It's wonderful. And bam, look at that, lashes are applied. And now we're gonna go in with MAC's lip liner in the color Cork, and we're gonna line our lips. And I really like this lip liner because it's a good everyday lip liner that you can use with multiple shades of lipstick, lip gloss, whatever the case may be. And I feel like everybody should have like a lip liner this color in their collection. Next, I'm going to be using 2 NYX lip products, and I use these 2 at the same time. I just love the outcome. This is going to be NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi, and I just line that on top of the brown MAC lip liner in Cork, and I kind of create this like pinky brown color on my lip. And then I take the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Crème Brulee, and I kind of just put that on top, you know, kind of give my lips a little shine, a little poppage. And I kind of blend together to make this soft, creamy, pinky brown color. And I blend those together and mwah, kisses. Next, we're going to go in with MAC's Fix Plus Finishing Mist in the scent Lavender. And we're going to spray that all over my face. Then we're going to go in lastly with Milani's Baked Highlighter in the color Bronze Splendor. And I'm using a custom fan brush from Morphe in the Britman Rock Highlighter palette. And as you can see, I'm taking this on my cheekbones, above my brows, just the high points of my face, down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose. I love highlighting the tip of my nose and my cheekbones. I feel like it gives it a little pizzazz. So next, we're going to go back in with the Covergirl Supersizer Fibers mascara, and we're going to coat our bottom lashes just to open up our eyes more, you know, because who doesn't like big eyeballs? I do. And here's the final look. Something simple. You don't have to think too hard about it. Using just the bare necessities. The simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries. I'm just kidding. Hashtag Disney for life. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.